Outline of finance. The following outline is provided as an overview of and topical guide to finance. Finance addresses the ways in which individuals and organizations raise and allocate monetary resources over time, taking into account the risks entailed in their projects. Overview. The word finance may incorporate any of the following: fundamental financial concepts, history, finance terms by field, accounting, financial record keeping, banking, corporate finance, investment management, personal finance, public finance, insurance, economics and finance, mathematics and finance, time value of money, financial mathematics, mathematical tools, derivatives pricing, constrained finance, financial markets, market and instruments, equity market, equity valuation, investment theory, bond market, money market, commodity market, derivatives market, forward markets and contracts, futures markets and contracts, option markets and contracts, swap markets and contracts, derivative markets by underlyings, equity derivatives, interest rate derivatives, credit derivatives, foreign exchange derivative, financial regulation designations and accreditation, litigation, fraud, industry bodies, regulatory bodies, international, European Union regulatory bodies by country, United Kingdom, United States legislation, actuarial topics, asset types, raising capital, valuation, underlying theory, context, discounted cash flow valuation, relative valuation, contingent claim valuation, other approaches, portfolio theory, general concepts, modern portfolio theory, postmodern portfolio theory, performance measurement, mathematical techniques, financial software tools, financial institutions, education related lists, external links.